Oculus runs an Android-based operating system with access to VR software via the Oculus Home user experience and App Store, including games and multimedia apps. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another how-to video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing into your Oculus account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Oculus. After that, tap on the option Have an Oculus account. Now you need to enter your email address associated with your account, and after that enter the password. Then tap on Login, and that's it. You'll be logged into your Oculus account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.